In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use FreshBooks. Start by opening your browser and heading to freshbooks.com. In the top right corner, select Login and sign in to your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard, which gives you a quick view of recent activity, outstanding invoices, and helpful shortcuts. From here, you can also add a team member so others can collaborate on projects and billing. Assign roles and permissions thoughtfully to keep access secure and focused. Next, go to the clients area to manage your customer information. If you're moving from another system, use the import option to bring in your client list from a file, and use export if you need a backup or want to share a list. You can also add a new client manually, entering their business details so they're ready for estimates and invoices. Head over to estimates to create a new estimate or a more detailed proposal. Include line items, quantities, rates, and clear notes so the scope and pricing are understood before work begins. When you're ready to bill, open invoices and create a new invoice. Choose the client, add products or services, set issue and due dates, and apply taxes or discounts as needed for accuracy and clarity. Open payments to track money coming in. Here you can review payment reports, enable or manage online payment options, and adjust payment settings to match your preferred methods and fees. In expenses, record your costs to keep your books accurate. Add a new expense with vendor, category, amount, and a receipt attachment if you have one. If your expenses live elsewhere, import them from a file and export expense receipts when you need organized documentation for your records or your accountant. Move to projects to manage your work by engagement type. Create a flat rate project if you charge a fixed fee, or an hourly project if time drives billing. Assign team members and set budgets to keep everything on track. Use time tracking to log hours against projects. Once entries are reviewed, you can generate an invoice directly from track time so your billing matches the actual work completed. Under accounting, connect a bank account to streamline reconciliation and reduce manual entry. From the same area, you can select accounting reports to run and use update your books to keep your records current and clean. Finally, open reports to see everything in one place, from profitability snapshots to aging summaries. Adjust filters and date ranges to zero in on the insights you need. That's the tour of FreshBooks from sign-in to reporting. Pause as you follow along, and you'll be set up to manage your finances with confidence.